Hi beauties, it's me Alegra. I'm super excited today to be unboxing the Glossybox Reason to Be Happy 2020 Advent Calendar. Here it is. It is filled with over $500 worth of makeup, skincare, and hair care, beauty treats, all luxe, all amazing, and all for only $99. And if you're already a Glossybox subscriber, the price is actually only $89. So I can't wait to see what's inside, and I figured I would take you beauties along with me. I'm going to open each day. Spoiler alert, I'm going to show everything. Hi beauties, it's me Alegra. Babes, today my Glossybox Advent Calendar has just arrived, and can I just tell you, it is epic. The box is huge. So this is a spoiler alert video. If you're signed up for Glossybox and you don't want to know what's inside your advent calendar, then do not watch this video because I am going to be unboxing the whole box today. And guys, it is huge. It is so big. It's amazing and it's beautiful. I cannot get over how gorgeous this box in itself is. And then you just go ahead and open it up and it's so beautiful. I mean, you could keep your makeup brushes in here, you know, your lipstick, your makeup in here basically when you're done unboxing and taking everything out. Let me go ahead and reach right in. I'm gonna start from the beginning, day one. And so I have right here the day one box. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Oh my god guys, here is what came in my day one box. So it is the Makeup Revolution Face Quad. This is the incandescent face quad from Makeup Revolution. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I'm so shocked. Oh my god, Doug. Guys, now you see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna want to try everything out and then we're gonna be here for 2 days and you guys are like, girl, no. You're like, I got family, I got kids, I got work. Okay, that is amazing. Who doesn't love Makeup Revolution? I'm a huge Makeup Revolution fanatic, so I know a lot of you guys are too. So let's keep it moving, guys. So here, guys, is day two. Oh, what is gonna be inside? This is just too much fun, you guys. No! Oh my god, Illaquasma. I love Illaquasma makeup. I just ordered a lip gloss and it was $30, and I'm a little ashamed to admit it, but it is an amazing lip gloss. So what is this, you guys? Oh my god, it is their liquid eyeliner. Shut up. I want it. Oh, guys, this is torture because I want to use this right now. Are you kidding me? It's a fine tip. I just have to, guys. I'll try my best not to keep trying everything, but this is too amazing not to try. I can't. This is my jam. This is like my, you guys, this is my addiction. That just felt amazing. It's a fine tip, but it's like a little bit thicker. So you can cover more ground, if you know what I mean. You can cover more of your eye area. It's very firm. It feels phenomenal. Hopefully it does dry quick because you know how it is with these hooding eyes. If it doesn't dry quick, it'll be all over my face and I'll look like a hot AF. Hot mess. Let's move on now, guys, to day number 3. Here it is, guys, day number 3 right there. So let's go ahead and open her up. What's inside this Glossybox? They are good. They are good. They know what they're doing. They know how to make your day. So every box does come with a little bit of confetti, which is so nice. I actually, oh, shut up. Oh my god, I've been wanting to try this for the longest time. I heard such amazing things about this. This is the Clean It Zero Face Cleansing Balm. This is like, seriously, I read about this. It's like #1 bestseller on Amazon for face balm. So I wish I could try this right now, but I'm not taking my makeup off, but it's a face balm. So I'll be back and try this. I love using face balms. They just feel so soothing on your skin, don't they, when you take your makeup off? So I'm all about face balms. Day number 4. So here is day number 4. So let's go ahead and open her up. I swear to god, guys, I'm such a fanatic for beautiful packaging that I don't even want to throw it out, and that's what I'm trying to tell you guys sometimes, but I haven't said it. But I feel like your girl's about to become a hoarder, just saving boxes. I said this is how people become hoarders. So I'll save them. I just want to save the box. Like, these boxes are gorgeous and I just think about how I can repurpose them, like, but I'm collecting too much anyhow. Oh my god, so here is some Ona New York All Eyes on Me illuminating eye gels. I love using eye gels, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I will definitely use these next time I do a look. So here is day number 5. Let's open her up. Shut up. Oh my god. Is this what I think it is? Oh my god. It looks like, oh, I think it is. I think this is Victor and Rolf. Oh, Flower Bomb Nectar. Guys, I really, really, really love my, I think I opened it with you guys a while back. Yes. And I said, now this is a beautiful perfume. It's incredible. This is a perfume that is expensive. I haven't, that it's worth it. It's such a gorgeous, unique, oh, I just put the tiniest bit and it's so, oh my god, it's so intense. Like, wow. It's so, oh, it's just gorgeous. It is so, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous scent. And that one little drop is like a lot. So that will last you for a good amount of time, because one, like I said, one drop just did it for me. It's day number 6. Big box, you guys. What is in here? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh my god, guys, it's the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Oh, and it's full size, huge. Oh my god, this looks beautiful. Oh, I'm definitely can't wait to use this tonight. I love, who doesn't love micellar water? And Tarte is all clean beauty. It's good for you. It's good clean ingredients. So that's amazing. I'm going to be using that tonight. Oh, what should I use, guys? The Balm? Oh, I'm a crazy addict for skincare, so I'll try the Balm and then I'll go in with the micellar water, because I love to do my skincare routine. Here is day 7. So let's go ahead and open up day 7. So it is a Glossybox Skincare 3-in-1 moisturizer. Look, that sounds amazing. It says it plumps, primes, and protects. So super awesome. Who couldn't use a really good moisturizer, especially one that plumps, primes, and protects? OMG. That's amazing. Find it, guys. Here is 8. Oh, so here is something really nice. A Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Scrub. So you can use this to wash your face, exfoliate, all that good stuff. Love that. I love exfoliate. You could use that on your body. I like to use those kind of sponges on my body, especially if you use self-tanner. They're so good to get off the self-tanner. Okay, here is day number 9. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is the Lee Stanford Hair Apology Intensive Care 10-in-1 Leave-In Treatment Spray. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. I love leave-in treatments. Let's see, I just like to try this scent. It smells very, just like shampoo-esque. No fruity scent, no, nothing like that. Oh, it feels really nice on my skin. My skin actually feels super soft from it. That's nice. Oh, it feels really good on my skin. So I can't wait to use this on my hair, and I'll get back to you guys. I always use a leave-in conditioner, so I'm super excited to try that. So guys, here is day 10. So let's go ahead and open her up. So let's see what came in day 10. Oh, there's 2 things in here, guys, so don't miss out. There is 2. There is the Freeman Neck Firming and Smoothing Sheet Mask. I love that. Personally, I love using my neck creams. And then here is a Freeman Melting Sugar Face Mask. So melting sugar with skin boosters and rose extract to just keep you glowing and gorgeous. So you're getting these 2 in day 10. So here is day number 11. So let's go ahead and open up day number 11. So, ooh, what is this? A turban shower cap in 1. Yes, I'm gonna need this. I definitely love using a shower cap. Especially when you can't wash your hair every day, but you want to take a shower and keep your, if you do it, these come in so handy. So I love using a shower cap. And then here is day 12. So let's see what's in here. So this is the Avant Hyaluronic Collagen Glycolic 3-in-1 Filler Collagen Eye Formula. Ooh, this sounds very promising. 3-in-1 Filler Collagen Hyaluronic Acid Aquamarine Glycolic, everything in here in an eye cream. What? That sounds amazing. I can't wait to try this. Here is day number 13. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So here is the Rhodile Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. Oh, I'm gonna have a ball tonight because I'm just gonna go in with everything tonight. I'm gonna use the cleanser, the balm, the micellar water, then the vitamin C cleanser, because I love brightened up skin, so why not? Here is day number 14. So let's go ahead and open up day number 14. I'm so excited. Oh, this is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. So I can't wait to use this. I love, look at the packaging, this gorgeous gold. I love Wander Beauty. I can't resist. Of course I can't. Don't let me near makeup, you guys. I can't stop. I cannot stop. So here's day number 15. So let's see what goodie this could be. Ooh, this is a good mask. This is the 111 Skin Mask. This is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, and I have tried this before and it really worked so good. I was so shocked. And this is very pricey. I don't remember off the top of my head the retail price for this, but I saw it at a store and it was, I think it was like $100 for one of these. So here is day number 16. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh, these look nice. These are refreshing cleansing hemp wipes from Evid Skin Aurora. Oh my god, love the packaging. Can't wait to try these. I love how they're in a small package, so that's great for traveling because they'll really fit nicely in your, you know, your luggage and things like that. So I can't wait to try that. So here is day number 17. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. This is the Crabtree Smooth and Refined Body Lotion. Oh, Crabtree lotion smells so good. Let me give this one a try. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. It's very light. It's not flowery. It's not perfume-esque. It's just really nice. It's just a really nice scent. Here is day number 18. Oh my god, so this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. So what color is this? Hawkwind. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Check with some on. Did I do it, guys? Maybe. Okay, I don't know. And then here is day number 19. So let's go ahead and open this one up. Oh my gosh, guys, they gave these beautiful brushes. These are from LA Splash Cosmetics. So you're getting the setting brush and the winged liner brush. So that's amazing, amazing, amazing. I love that. Here is day number 20. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. This is the First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser. Love this cleanser so much. I have it. I've bought it before with my own money. I absolutely love it. Great for sensitive skin. Fab antioxidant booster. So love this. That's going to definitely be put to good use as well. So here is day number 21. So here is the Beauty Crop Stuck On You Eye Primer. So excited to use this. Oh, it's beautiful packaging, lavender, I love that. So of course I'm obsessed with eyeshadow primer. I love it. It makes such a huge difference. And then here is day number 22. And here it is, the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. Love that. I love masks. So I'll be using that very soon. Here is day number 23. Yes, I wanted this, guys. I've been wanting this for the longest time. Dr. Paw Paw. This is supposedly, you can use it on your eyes, your lips, your cheeks. I mean, not your eyes. Well, some people do put it on their eyes. But it's specifically for lips, cheeks, and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. Fragrance free. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. So here is day number 24. Ooh, it's this beautiful dark, it's like a dark red shade nail polish. Be Your Incredible Self from Nails Inc. I love Nails Inc. This is the shade Victoria, so it's like that blood red shade. And finally, beauties, it is day number 25, and it is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. OMG, this palette is simply gorgeous. Out of this world stunning. Oh my god, it's filled with peach, bronze, shimmers, highly pigmented, absolutely stunning champagne-esque shades. This would look great. Like the name says, day to night. You can take it from the daytime look to the nighttime and you will be slaying your life. Oh my god, how gorgeous is that champagne colored packaging? This would make an amazing gift. The packaging, oh my god, if you give this, even if you get this box, and you could give so much of this away as presents and save so much money, because if you didn't keep this for yourself, like you gave it away, oh my god. And it's so beautiful. The packaging is so festive for the holidays, New Year's Eve, at home. Even if you're just at home, it just makes you feel so good to play with your makeup and do your, you know, and just be with your girl, your man, your family, you know, and just be festive and have fun even if you don't go anywhere. So that's pretty much it. Are you going to open everything at once like me, or are you going to wait each day? I would really love to know. So let me know in the comments what you'll be doing, what your plan is. What do you love best out of everything that came in the Glossybox Advent Calendar? Are you loving it? And can you believe all of this valued at over $500? I will have it linked below so you can purchase it and sign up and get one for yourself. I do have a code that you can use and you'll get an extra discount. So that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today, and I love you guys so much. Don't forget to go ahead and check out Glossybox. You will, if you haven't already, you will be so thrilled, so over the moon. You will just love everything, and like I said, this will make a great gift. You could take each one individually or put together little packages and make nice little gifts. So you just with saving, you know, you're getting such an amazing value for your money. So, and it's so gorgeous, and I'm definitely using all of the boxes and putting everything in here with my lip glosses, my brushes, my makeup. So this box is so stunning. I'm definitely going to be using it for all of my makeup goodies. So thanks guys again so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.